ऐसे भी डाल सकते हैं नोटिस राइटिंग में टाइमिंग, और जो डिटेल्स होती है वो इस तरह से शॉर्ट पैराग्राफ पॉइंट वाइज में भी डाल करके हम लिख सकते
पागल है क्या? तेरी वीडियो दिखाऊंगी क्या?
हैं। कैन यू सी नाउ? सबको दिख रहा है? ऑल ऑफ यू स्टार्ट राइटिंग इन योर कॉपीज, in your book, sorry. Page number 35 of your book, notice writing. Start writing because I will be asking you to give all these sheets to be sent to the school for checking. So please complete your work right now. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Senior Bose Academy, Guwahati. Notice, then date. You will write today's date. A trip to Kaziranga National Park. A trip to Kaziranga National Park. Our school is organizing a 2-day trip to Kaziranga National Park for the students of classes 7. Now you can see जो details देनी होती है मैंने किस तरह से points में भी लिखी है. हम not points but एक नीचे लिख कर सकते हैं. ये मैंने show किया है इस तरह से कि हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं details. इससे क्या होता है हमारी word limit थोड़ी और कम हो जाती है. The details are dates from itna to itna, mode of conveyance a deluxe bus, charges rupees 2000 per student, timing of departure 8 a.m. on 25th, timing of arrivals 8 a.m. on 27th, teachers in charge हम नेम लिख देंगे कि कौन कौन टीचर जाएगा. फिर हम उसके बाद ये बता दें the interested student can contact their class teacher or the undersigned. Then we will write the signature, name and the designation. All of you start writing right now. सब अभी लिखेंगे. And the one who will show me only those answers will I will take it as a consider that they have done their work. Be quick. 10 minutes are still there for you all to do. No more is submitting their test. और कोई टेस्ट नहीं सबमिट करना चाह रहा है. I've got only 30 responses and those only students will be given the marks of mock test. Be quick. You can write down in your books itself. Should I close the test? Is anybody having any problem?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Have you written? Have all of you written?
मैम फुल पेज दिखा दो स्क्रीनशॉट
No, you can no screenshot. You have to write down right now in front of me. Everybody will do it right now in front of me.
ओके मैम
Be quick.
मैम हमने आधी कॉपी तो स्कूल में सबमिट करवा दी तो फिर हम काम कैसे करेंगे जो आप अभी करवाओगे
Which you are doing right now. This work is to be done in the book. Page number 35.
मैम ये वाला तो बुक में होगा लेकिन मैं बाकी टीचर्स भी तो काम करवा रही है वो किस में करना है
For the time being, you can do it in your rough copy, or you can ask your ma'am. And when you get your copies back, you can do it in your fair copy.
ओके मैम
Have all of you done? Have all of you done?
तो काम से बहुत ज्यादा हो जाएगा ना सब्जेक्ट का
I don't think there will be much difficulty in doing the work. Have you done?
हाँ मैम
Everybody.
ओके मैम
Okay, now if all of you have done, open page number 36. Page number 36. All of you open page number 36. Have you all opened the page number 36? Yes or no?
मैम मैसेज
What? Yeah, message.
मैसेज
Open your videos also, everybody. Everybody open your videos. Okay. Next is the next grammar topic which we will be doing is about message writing. Now, what does a message writing is? It is just a small piece of writing in which we need to give an information or a news to someone who is not present at the time of receiving a message. Is it clear? Suppose if you are not at home and if you are not at home and one of your friend has called and wanted to talk to you, okay, if you're and he wanted to talk to you, but as you are not available at home, so the person will be leaving a message to the person who has picked the phone, and then because you are not there, the person who has received the message will write a short message, very precise in reported speech, that what the message you have given to the what message you are to supposed to give to the person who is not at. And most of these message writing is in the form of telephone conversation. Mostly it is in the form of telephone conversation, and it can be also in the other forms also, that a message you can leave a message without the telephone call also. Okay. Important point is that when we write a message, we should give only the important information. हमें सिर्फ एक important information बतानी चाहिए. We should not write whatever is irrelevant. जो जरूरी नहीं है वो हमें नहीं लिखना चाहिए. Also, our writing should be clear. Our message should be very clear. We should put the sender's name and or the signature at the end of the message. We should always put our message in the box. Is it clear? Our message should be in the box. It should not exceed the word limit of 50 words. We should not exceed the word limit of our message writing more than 50 words. And which tends to be used in writing a message, it depends upon what idea or what message or what information we want to give. हम कौन सा टेंस यूज करते हैं इन राइटिंग अ मैसेज, वो डिपेंड करता है व्हाट इंफॉर्मेशन या व्हाट आइडिया हमें सेंड करना है. एंड अ मैसेज शुड बी रिटन इन द रिपोर्टेड स्पीच फॉर्म. रिपोर्टेड स्पीच पता है, डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट. हम इसमें इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच रिपोर्ट यूज करते हैं. इज इट क्लियर? Now, as you can see in your book itself, page number 36, I will also give you the notes also. But what I am trying to show you is in the book on page number 36. You can see the format of the message. Now, what is the format? On the very beginning, we write the heading message. Under it, on the left side of the box, which we write the message in the box. In the left side on the box, we first write the date. That is on which date we are leaving the message. Second is we write the time. At what time we are writing the message. It is also important so that the reader can come to know that मेरे लिए message इस time पे आया था and at that time I was not available there. Second is important thing is that we write the situation in very small. We write a very brief, that is a very small salutation, that is dear brother, dear mother, or dear name of the person for whom we are leaving a message. We do not write a detailed salutation. We write a brief, very small saluation, dear uncle, dear aunt, dear mother, or dear the name of the person. Then we write the body of the message. Body means what the message is about. Precise होता है, जो बिल्कुल relevant होना चाहिए. No extra writing should be in the body of the message. जितना लिखना है उतना. Then after the message is completed, we should leave one line and we should write either the name or the signature of the person who is leaving the message. Now I will take an example, rough example for you. Suppose Chitra called to Palak and Palak was not at home. So Palak's mother picked the call. She received the call of Chitra. Chitra will say, hello auntie, is Palak available there? Then her mother will say, no, she is not available there. So then Chitra will leave a message for her auntie. Please tell Palak when she comes back home that our tomorrow science class has been cancelled and it will be held after 2 days at 10 a.m. in the morning. Is it clear? Then she will, her mother will say, okay beta, I will give the message. Then Chitra will say, thank you auntie. Okay. Now the message is what? सिर्फ इतना कि our science class has been cancelled and it will be it has been rescheduled on after 2 days at 10 a.m. in the morning. That is the message. So instead of giving all the details, ki hello auntie, is Palak there, we don't write all this. We only take the message part. I will give you the examples also. Okay, don't worry. I will show you how to write it also. So you will, how will you begin? You will begin the message, date, time. Then you will, because now Palak's mother is writing the message. Okay, anybody can tell me कौन message लिख रहा है किसके लिए? Who is writing the message for who? Anybody who wants to, you can write the answer in the chat box. That's it. I cannot allow you. Chitra, who will write the message? And for whom? Write the answer in the chat box. I can see it. Chitra will write the message for Palak. No. No. Who will write the message? Saksham Sen, I will call you myself. Don't worry. मैं आपको नो मैसेज कौन लिखेगा किसके लिए? चित्रा फॉर पलक. चित्रा ने तो पलक से बात करना चाहिए थी पर पलक नहीं थी. फोन किसने रिसीव किया था? पलक की मदर ने. तो मैसेज कौन किसके लिए छोड़ेगा? वेरी गुड पलक. पलक की मदर विल राइट अ मैसेज टू पलक. एंड एनीबॉडी एल्स? बाय पलक मदर. वेरी गुड परी. Very good. Mother for Palak. Very good. Vanchika, आप बताओ. Who will write a message? Sujan for Himanshu. Sujan, remove Palak's mother. Okay. Now, when she will start writing the message, her language will be very clear. That dear Palak. That's it. Solution is very small. Dear Palak. Then she will begin. Your friend Chitra had called to say that your tomorrow's science class has been cancelled and it has been rescheduled after 2 days. You can mention the date also. That is, if today is 24, then it will be on 27. 2 days 24 के बाद 26, 24, 25, 26 के बाद after 2 days, that is on 27 at 10 a.m. early in the morning. Is it clear? So be ready by the time for your class. Then under the after this notice, who will put the signature and what will be the signature over there? Anybody can write it. Anybody who wants to give the answer in the chat box? When we have written this message, what will be the signature under the message? Who will sign it under the message? Chitra, Palak, or Chitra's mother? Give it. Chitra or Palak or Chitra's mother. Whose signature will be in the last? Okay, Chitra, mother, and anybody else? Rest all of you give the answer. Nirvay, you write down in the chat box and tell me. Palak, mom. Okay. Okay, Nirvay, Vanchika, write down. Okay. Okay. और हम लिखेंगे क्या? Mother will write either mother or ऐसे थोड़ी ना लिखेगी Palak's mother. ऐसे थोड़ी ना लिखेंगे हम. What will we write? Either we will write mother or mother will write her name. Is it clear? Sujal, आप ध्यान से सुनो question को. I will give you the PDF everything, but I have just given you an oral example because I want that you should also be able to improve your listening skills. भी आपकी improve होनी चाहिए. Is it clear? आप अगर अपनी सुन के अगर नहीं करोगे, how will you be able to do it? Anybody wants to say anything? Yes, Palak, what do you want to say? Palak, anything?
मैम मैं कह रही थी हम जब मैसेज लिखते हैं तो शुरुआत का जो कंटेंट आता है मतलब स्टार्टिंग करते हैं तो ऐसे लिखेंगे ना कि बिफोर बिहाइंड यू द फोन वाज रैंग ऐसे स्टार्टिंग
Behind you नहीं आपके पीछे थोड़ी ना फोन बज रहा था.
तो क्या किससे
Behind होता है. Behind is a preposition which means कोई अगर आपके जस्ट पीछे खड़ा है, ठीक है, आप बैठे हो सीट पे चेयर पे और आपकी मदर या एनी ऑफ द फैमिली मेंबर आपके खड़े गए तो हम उसके लिए preposition यूज करते हैं. आपके पीछे से नहीं. You will begin like your friend Palak has called to say that. ठीक है. या फिर अगर हमने कोई ऐसा मैसेज दिया है कि हम लाइक वी वांट टू उनको इन्फॉर्म करना चाहते हैं ना, तो लाइक योर दिस फ्रेंड आस्क्ड मी टू इन्फॉर्म यू, राइट. हम ऐसे कह सकते हैं कि आपके फ्रेंड का था, शी वांटेड मी टू इन्फॉर्म यू. वो ये चाहती थी कि मैं आपको ये मैसेज दे दूं, राइट. Okay, in the next class tomorrow again when we are having our class, in that class I will show you the PDF also, show you a video also and with an examples, and we will be doing also your homework is go through page number 36.
मैम आपका नंबर तो दे दो.
इसको who wants my number? Who?
मैम मुझे भी चाहिए.
मैम सक्षम.
Saksham, I have got your number and I will take a screenshot from you.
मैम
So now
35 नोटिस तो चेक कर लो.
show me, you can show me. Yeah. Yes, Palak.
एक बार
Okay,
आपके
very
नंबर
good.
दे दो ना.
Okay, very good. Now as the time is over, I'm going to leave the class. Okay, you all
एक बार आप
have a good day.
मैम आई एम लीविंग।
Have a good day, all of you. Your homework is go through page number 36 and 37. Is it
मैम
clear?
empty कर दो ना, क्योंकि नेक्स्ट क्लास की लिंक है।
क्या कर दूं?